Listen, I'm about to tell you exactly what you need to become profitable at trading, and you're probably going to hate how simple it sounds. So you've been trading for what? 6 months? A year? You're watching every YouTube video. You've got 17 indicators on your chart. You're in 4 different Discord groups, and you're still losing money. I get it, I've been there, and I'm going to be real with you right now because nobody else will. Trading is stupidly simple, but here's the thing. It's not easy. And there's a massive difference between those 2 words that most people don't get until they've blown through 3 accounts. You know what separates profitable traders from everyone else? It's not some secret strategy. It's not some magical indicator that costs $3,000. It's 2 things. That's it, just 2. Number 1, a strategy that actually works. And before you roll your eyes, stay with me because this isn't what you think. Number 2, the discipline to follow that strategy no matter what your brain is telling you. That's it. That's the whole game. Now here's where most people mess up. They think finding a strategy is the hard part. So they spend months, sometimes years, jumping from one system to another. Indicators, moving averages, smart money concepts, whatever's trending on Twitter this week. And none of it works. Not because the strategies are bad, but because they never stick with anything long enough to actually learn it. Your strategy doesn't need to be complicated. It can literally be as simple as buying at support and selling at resistance, or trading one specific pattern that shows up over and over. The strategy itself, that's the easy part. But here's what nobody wants to hear. The discipline part will absolutely destroy you, because your strategy is going to tell you to take a trade, and your brain is going to say,
"Nah, this one looks different."
Your strategy is going to tell you to cut a loss, and you're going to say,
"Just 5 more minutes. It might turn around."
Your strategy is going to tell you to sit on your hands, and you're going to take a trade out of boredom because you've been staring at charts for 3 hours and you feel like you should be doing something. And that's where you lose money. Not because your strategy is bad, because you didn't follow it. Every single losing trader has the same problem. They know what to do. They just don't do it. They override their rules. They think they're smarter than their plan. They make exceptions. And the market punishes exceptions. You want to know the difference between you right now and a profitable trader? A profitable trader takes a loss and doesn't care. They don't revenge trade. They don't double their position size on the next trade to make it back. They just move on because they trust their edge over 100 trades, not 1. You need to get to a point where following your rules is more important than making money on any single trade. And I know that sounds backwards, but that's literally the entire game. So here's what you actually need to do. Pick one strategy. 1. Something simple that makes sense to you. Test it, journal it. Give it at least 100 trades. And here's the key. Follow the rules exactly the same way every single time. No exceptions. Not even once. Because the second you make an exception, you're not trading your strategy anymore. You're gambling. Now here's the plot twist, and this is gonna sting a little. You already know all of this. Everything I just said, you've heard it before. You know you need a strategy. You know you need discipline. You know you shouldn't revenge trade or overtrade or move your stop loss. You already know what to do. The problem isn't that you don't know. The problem is you don't believe it's actually that simple. You think there's gotta be something else, some secret sauce, some missing piece, but there isn't. And the moment you accept that trading really is just about doing the boring, simple, repetitive thing over and over without getting emotional about it, that's when everything changes. So stop looking for the answer. You already have it. Now you just gotta actually do it.